I'm Nicole Karkic with you here for the Weather Network. Across Alberta, as we head into your Friday, we're going to be seeing sunny conditions and it's relatively calm. For British Columbia, we'll see west winds, but high pressure is pushing into place, and that's keeping it dry for Vancouver Island and the lower mainland as well. So we're getting lots of sunshine, and we're going to warm up in temperatures into the weekend as well. So these are our morning temperatures for Friday. By the afternoon, Calgary 14, Edmonton at 14.2, Vancouver 15 degrees, and Victoria 15 degrees for you. If you want more details on what's happening into the weekend, including Mother's Day forecast in your area, watch the Weather Network on TV. Those details are in your local forecast.